Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a first day cover, and this is to celebrate the 30 years of the Spice Girls. They're dated 2024. It was the first release of this year. You have as King Charles was Prince Charles and Prince of Wales when they first came about, and Jerry had a little cheeky chat with him. You have the King Charles effigy in the top left hand corner facing towards the right hand side of the stamp. So we have they're all first class stamps and there are 10 of them. The first one in the corner, whoops, I'm dropping other things on here now, there for a later video. I've just got to put my thing in there because it's got my address on. So you can see these close up. We have the first one is actually here, is this one. This one was from the Brit Awards in 1997, and this is a blown up version of it so you can see it properly. Shows a very young set of Spice Girls. The next one shows sporty Mel, I believe Mel Chisholm, is it? At the Brit Awards in 1998. So it's 2 years in a row that they did the Brit Awards. The third one is from the Olympic ceremony in 2022. It's the closing ceremony, and here's the blow up of it on the postcard. Yes, it was an Olympic closing ceremony. The next one is our friend Ginger Spice, with the Union Jack dress that she was very well known for. And this was from the 1997 Brit Awards. The last one in this corner up here is from a concert at San Jose in 2017. The first one on this second row on the left hand side is Baby Spice, Emma Brunton. And she looked young there, 1998. Blimey, and I actually remember these zones. It makes me feel a little bit old. The next one is from a show at Istanbul in Turkey from 1997, and shows the whole group. The next one is Posh Spice, or as we know her now, Mrs. Beckham, Mrs. Golden Balls. She's become a very successful clothes designer, as well as having success with the Spice Girls. The next one, we go back to 1998, and it's from a show in Dublin. The next one along is, and the last one on the thing is Jerry, is Scary Spice. Is it Melanie somebody? I can't remember the surname, sorry. If you are watching, which I very highly doubt, I do apologise for not remembering your second name, but there you go. I'm 60 odd, and I'm allowed to be a bit wayward in some of my thinking. Now, these aren't actually on the first day cover, but they are individual portraits with the name of the person concerned. There's Posh Spice. Next postcard I have in the series is Scary Spice. The next one is, as she says, Baby Spice. I think she and Sporty Spice are my two favourites, but you know, what can I say? I've got great taste. Then we have Ginge. Not the Whinging Ginger, but the Ginger Spice. Jerry Halliwell. Or she's married to one of the guys who's in head of Formula One, one of the car teams. Horner, Christian Horner, is it? She's married to him now, I believe, from what I remember. And then we have my other favourite from the Spice Girls, Sporty Spice. Now, if you've ever seen me, you would never think of me as a sporty type person, and just a little overweight. Or quite a lot overweight, if the truth be told. But she always fascinated me. She never seemed to lose her northern accent, does she? Liverpudlian accent. So there you go, there's a final look at the first aid cover itself. What I've been covering up my address with is this in anything that was sent along with the first aid cover, which has had a little information about the Spice Girls themselves. So, if you've enjoyed this video and you believe I deserve it, could you please give me a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. Secondly, I'm looking to increase my subscriber level again this year. I'm looking to go from 250 last Christmas to 425 by the end of the year of 2024. So that's about 175 subscribers, I believe. I would like to get to 500, but I think that might be a bit much in 1 year. However, the nearer I can get, the happier I'll be. So if you can help me out and you believe I deserve your subscription, could you please do so? I do a minimum of 5 videos a week. Just recently I've been doing 6, in the hope that you'll find something you'll want to watch, and that you will subscribe to the channel eventually. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again, bye bye. Ta-da now.